on-the-site performance with the team was just diligent, hardworking. I think what I saw was the dedication to getting the job done the right way. That was one of the reasons we went with Albert Group.
Hi, I'm Jamie from Albert Group Pools and Patios, and I'm here today with Mike to discuss his pool project and really to talk about what the process was like and how it went for you. When you first met us, how did everything go? How'd you find us?
So I talked with a couple pool companies locally, and I think you were a little bit maybe outside our radius just at the time. I don't know, but I was happy that you were coming over to see and to talk to us. I remember meeting in person, and you had talked about designing it.
The 3D rendering, yeah. I remember that.
Yeah, we're able to work through some ideas like visually, which was really helpful for me and my wife. You had a drone, I remember coming out and taking shots of the yard. There was a tree in the middle at one point on this design. We said, you know what, let's take that tree out. Let's put some boxes over here.
I remember that tree now.
Let's take this gazebo out, because we said, okay, that's something that made the cost a little bit too much. Let's take that out. But also, I think I did say, let's put a grill over there. Because of that, I think my wife.
You moved the cost.
But yeah,
we were gonna take it out.
Let's put the a fire pit over there as well, and so it was adaptable. I think is what I'm getting at with the design process. There's actually like a hump, a berm, just on the other side of this wall behind us that we were constricted to a certain size because of
for the easement.
Easement, exactly. Right. And I remember when we came out and scoped it out, you know, we got it right in there.
Yeah, and we hit that within like an inch.
Yeah, because it was really important for me to be able to have the chairs facing the sun. So we wanted to have that area on that side of the pool.
Speaking of which, it's been a while. When did this process start? When did we start?
We broke ground in middle March. It was actually a mild winter that year.
Right.
Little did we know that, you know, a few weeks after the start, COVID was going to shut it down. We had to postpone work. So there was a little break in the action because of that. But then, you know, thankfully for us, we got it in and then we're able to enjoy it for most of the time where we were kind of on shutdown. So it ended up working out really well for us. The foreman, Edgar, was great to work with. I became very, friendly with him. On the site performance with the team was just diligent, hardworking. These projects are big, and I understand that, and they're putting a lot of effort into it. And I think what I saw was the dedication to getting the job done the right way. They should be proud of like the masonry work that they did on the hardscaping, because people have come afterwards that know a little bit about masonry that have said this is a really good, really well done job. Oh my goodness, here he comes.
Oh.
Wally, watch the equipment.
So,
That's Wally.
Oh, this is Wally?
Oh, Wally. Yeah.
Wally loves the pool. Do you,
Wally's
Wally?
8 years old.
Has Wally been swimming?
Wally likes to go where he can stand. So he jumps in, and Wally will stand up on that splash pad area.
Yeah.
And kind of just walk back and forth with a ball in his mouth.
Oh yeah, just chill.
Yeah. He tap dances across the floor with his fingernails. Yeah. No problems with the pool. No scratches, and that's one of the reasons why we did the fiberglass.
Right.
Was because, I wanted him to be able to go in, my other dog as well, if they wanted to use it when we're in the pool. So, yeah. So we have turned into like the family, host house for a lot of things, and everybody does get to enjoy it. We have a big, large extended family, and I have 2 girls, and now they're in high school. It's a senior and a sophomore. It has turned into a little bit more of a hangout spot, which is what I wanted. I was hoping to have them and their friends be able to enjoy it. It's a good, meeting area. It's lovely to be able to have that in our life. Every time I have people over, I get a small piece of joy in just, kicking back, relaxing, and having conversations with my family, friends, kids playing in the pool, playing volleyball. We'll stretch a net, put a basketball hoop up on the side. 2 braces.
Just have fun.
Yeah, exactly.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms. If you are interested in a leisure pool for your home, click the link below. We service Orange, Dutchess, Westchester, Putnam, Ulster, and Sullivan counties in the Hudson Valley region of New York. Have a great day.